Imagine a researcher placing a marshmallow in front of a child and saying, "You can eat it now, or wait 15 minutes and get two." Most kids grabbed it instantly. Some waited, struggling, staring, humming, even covering their eyes. Now here's the twist. How these kids behaved with the marshmallow can predict how you behave with your money today. And it might be the secret to why you're saving, or why you're stuck in impulse spending. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Wiring, the channel where we reprogram your money habits using psychology, storytelling, and real-life science. Today's video is all about self-control, instant gratification, and why your brain sometimes sabotages your bank account, all through the lens of the famous Marshmallow Test. If you've ever wondered, why do I keep buying things I don't need? This video will make everything click. Let me take you back to the 1960s at Stanford University. A group of 4-year-olds enters a simple room. A marshmallow sits on a plate. There's one rule. You can have one marshmallow now, or 2 marshmallows if you wait. Some kids instantly eat it. Others fight the urge, singing, dancing, turning away, even smelling the marshmallow but not touching it. Researchers followed these kids for decades. The ones who waited. They grew up to have higher savings, better credit scores, healthier habits, and even better career success. Why? Because they practiced something powerful. Delayed gratification. The skill of trading a small reward now for a bigger reward later. In the financial world, this is everything. It's the difference between buying new sneakers now, or investing that money and watching it grow, eating out every weekend, or building a 6-month emergency fund, swiping your credit card on impulse, or letting money breathe before giving it a job. People who master delayed gratification don't have more discipline. They have better systems. Imagine this. You get paid today. You open your favorite shopping app. A brand new gadget pops up. Your brain says, just one purchase. You deserve it. This isn't you being bad with money. It's simply your survival brain choosing the marshmallow now. But your future self, the one who wants financial freedom, needs you to wait for the second marshmallow. The problem? Your future self is silent, but the marshmallow is right in front of you. The Marshmallow Test reveals 2 systems in your brain. 1. The hot system. Impulsive, emotional, automatic. This is the I want it now voice. 2. The cool system. Logical, future thinking, strategic. This is the wait and get more later voice. Money problems happen when your hot system wins the argument. Financial confidence happens when you strengthen your cool system. Let's see how. Kids who waited used clever psychological tricks, and you can use the same ones for your money. Strategy. 1. Out of sight, out of mind. Kids covered the marshmallow with their hands or turned their backs. For adults, hide shopping apps from your home screen. Remove saved credit cards. Turn off push notifications. Reduce temptation. Reduce impulse. Strategy. 2. Distract yourself. Kids sang, kicked their feet, stared at the ceiling. Adults can. Put a 24-hour rule on purchases. Go for a walk before buying. Add items to a list instead of the cart. You're not refusing the marshmallow. You're delaying long enough for logic to catch up. Strategy 3. Make the reward bigger. The kids waited because they wanted 2 marshmallows. For adults, make the reward obvious. If I save instead of buying this, I get closer to my emergency fund. This $60 could grow to $600 in the future. Your brain needs to see the benefit. Here's the truth. You're not struggling because you're irresponsible. You're struggling because your brain evolved for survival, not savings. But the moment you start rewarding your future self, even with small wins, everything changes. The Marshmallow Test isn't about children. It's about all of us. Every time we face a financial decision. Here's your 3-step money marshmallow challenge. 1. Pick one impulse purchase category: food delivery, gadgets, clothes. 2. Create a 24-hour delay rule. If you still want it tomorrow, buy it guilt-free. 3. Make a future reward visible. Name a goal: emergency fund, debt payoff, vacation. Every delay stirred one step closer. Do this for 30 days. You'll rewire your financial behavior more than you think. If you found this story helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who's always eating the first marshmallow, and subscribe for more behavioral finance stories that rewire your money from the inside out. Remember, money success isn't about willpower, it's about wiring. See you in the next video.